Good grief. And I can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's a line right across there. And this side, I can't really see it other than I know they made a drywall patch right there. Let's turn around this way and look. Now you can see it, can't you? You see there, it goes there, straight across, there, straight across. And then it's kind of dark there, then it's lighter there. Well, they sprayed, they taped and textured, tape, top, skim, this patch, and then they textured that. So I know that's exactly where the patch was, and that patch went all the way across. And then I don't know what they had there. And in any case, when they repainted the ceiling, they didn't do a very good job, did they? And I can see the discoloration right down along that line. There's no patch there, but it's like they fizzled out on their paint. And that's because a couple different things. They probably didn't use primer. They probably just thought, oh, okay, what's the color of the ceiling? The ceiling was was the same color as this one, was flat. They just put one coat of paint over it and called it good. That's all they did. And had they have put two coats, they would have had to have put one coat over the patches, okay? And then beyond the patch, right in there, see how dark it is right there? They didn't put an extra coat there, paint, did they? And then they left it. Had they have done one, the flat paint there first, and then gone over the whole ceiling, that might not have shown, but see, that's new spray texture and a new sheetrock drywall patch. Those are recommended to have primer put on them first. And then what I would have done, had it have been me, I would have put primer on all the white areas. See that? You don't even see that when the light's on. Well, I guess you do to a certain extent. I can see it. But see, when you're coming the other direction because you've got the daylight, let's see if you can see it. Look, goes away. Look at that. Looks fine. What's wrong? I did my patch fine. What are you hollering about? I painted it just fine. It looks fine. Well, that way it looks fine, but not the other way, does it? And what I would have done is one coat of primer over the sheetrock patches and the overspray of the texture. That's what happens. After they did their patch, they sprayed this with texture, and then they kind of fogged in from there down to the existing, a little bit lighter, okay? And they did it on both sides of the patch, didn't they? You can kind of see that. Well, then you not only have to do the primer around the main patch, you have to go all the way to where the end of his spray texture is, okay? I would have put one coat on of primer. That's what I would have done. And then I would have taken this paint, because this paint is on the ceiling, that's flat. This is flat tan. I would have used flat tan on there out of the same gallon can, hopefully, or the same color. If I knew that after I moved in, let's say, okay? Then I would have put one coat over that. Then I would have put a second coat, probably beyond that, and I would have looked in the shadows like this, and I would have gone probably to the length of where the semi-gloss ceiling is. I probably would have went to about there and kind of tapered it off there. I wouldn't have stopped right there, right where they stopped before. See how dark that section is right in there? And then I could have made it go away if I got it from the same paint can. If I didn't get it from the same paint can and I wasn't sure and it's not blending in 100%, what else could I have done? I would have then had to have gone to the paint store, matched up the paint to the best that I could, take a paint sample off of the wall somewhere or on the ceiling somewhere. Then I would have put one coat of primer there, two coats of flat paint from here down to there. Then I would have repainted the whole ceiling from that edge. I wouldn't have had to have gone up at this angle unless it really bothered me about the color differential if it was slightly off. But see, this is the same paint color and it looks like it's two colors. That's because the light is shining in and this is shadow over here. It's the same paint. See? when you look at it, it's hard to tell, but over there, it's the same color, but it's just a shadow. Okay, then I would have painted, had I wanted to leave the semi-gloss paint alone, I would have cut in another line straight across there. I would have cut in at the ceiling. I would have just gone to the stairwell, cut that in, straight across, boom. Painted this little cubby all the way on down here, all the way around, boom. Then I would not have seen that patch, okay? There's a tip for you when you're painting patches. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.